The D-rings can be changed from internal to external D-rings in case of discomfort, or replaced if a D-ring is broken. Lift either the upper or the lower liner to expose the screw location. Depending on which D-ring you are moving or replacing, you may also have to remove the strap. Use a size 1 Phillips head screwdriver to undo the central screw. Remove the D-ring and screw. Remove the post. Place the D-ring with screw into the hole on the outside of the frame. Place the post inside the D-ring and slide the two together. Fasten the screw. Be careful not to over-tighten. Reattach the liner. Depending on which D-ring you are moving or replacing, you may also have to reattach the strap. Repeat the same process for all D-rings that you want to move or replace.